Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free trials included with gift subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize promotional benefits. Step 1. Check if any products or services you recently purchased include complimentary subscription trials as promotional offers. Step 2. Look for redemption instructions on product packaging, in confirmation emails, or on the manufacturer's website. Step 3. Visit the subscription service website mentioned in the promotional offer. Step 4. Locate the section for redeeming gift subscriptions or promotional codes, usually found under Redeem, Gift, or Promotions. Step 5. Enter your unique promotional code or gift subscription code exactly as provided. Step 6. Create an account or log into your existing account to activate the free trial subscription. Step 7. Complete any additional required information to finalize the activation process. Step 8. Start enjoying your free trial period with access to premium features and content included with your gift subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.